Hi, my name is Laura. I am an Artemis ambassador with Arizona, and I have just finished a full day of scouting for Coues deer. My hunt starts next weekend. I'm very excited for my Coues deer hunt. So I thought I'd take a moment to share a little bit about why I hunt and why conservation is important to me. So first and foremost, I hunt primarily for food. I love cooking, I love eating, and wild game has so much flavor and is so diverse, and I have so much fun making it into lots of incredible things that I get to share with friends and family, from tamales to pastrami. It is endless. So, and I love that it minimizes also my involvement with factory farming. So it's just a great way to experience and be close to my food from fork to table. However, there has been, as I've come back to hunting as an adult, there's been a new thing that I really love that hunting gives to me that I feel so grateful for. So I grew up hunting with my parents. I took about a 10-year hiatus. I lived in a place where hunting really wasn't easy or possible to do. And then about 10 years ago, I returned to the hobby, the sport, as an adult. And on my first cow elk hunt as an adult, coming back to it, after I took the shot and I approached the cow, I just burst into tears because I was absolutely overcome with a sense of gratitude, really understanding the cost of the life of this animal to sustain me, and then having spent a week out in the woods hunting her, I got a sense of the cost of everything that it takes for life. So how much land it requires to raise that animal, and even thinking about when I'm not hunting and when I'm just eating in a restaurant or eating vegetables for that matter, just the cost of resources that it takes to feed me, and just how insanely grateful I am for that, and how aware it makes me become of wanting to minimize my impact, minimize that cost, and give back as much as I can because I am just so grateful for it.